The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by the Florida Department of Citrus. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for being here with us on Daytime. You may have heard the term nutrient density. What does that mean? I'm not quite sure. Well, here to clear up any confusion is Gail Rampersad. She's got more details, and this is actually something that everybody should know about, too.
Everyone should know, and it sounds like a complicated term, but what it really just means is the amount of nutrients per calorie of food. And so to illustrate, if you look at these two jars, if the larger jar signifies a food with more calories, the smaller jar, less calories. And then I have these pieces, colored pieces, which represent the nutrients.
Right.
And there's actually, I counted out the same number of the pieces in here for each, but what you see is that you're getting more nutrients per calorie. Those nutrients are filling up more of that jar than a larger jar. So you see a lot more empty space,
empty calories.
Exactly. So you know that what you want to choose is a nutrient dense food, because you're getting more nutrients per calorie, so in less calories.
Now, how do we identify nutrient-dense foods? I'm assuming that it's going to be a lot of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, that type of thing?
Right, and you know, unfortunately, when you go in the grocery store, there's no neon flashing signs
we
that
need
tell
one of
us.
those.
But yeah, if I'd say a good strategy is to shop the perimeter of the grocery store. So if we think about our five basic food groups in the food guide pyramid, so you've got fruits and vegetables, fresh fruits and vegetables, low-fat and non-fat dairy, your lean cuts of meat and skinless chicken and fish and whole grains. You're going to find most of those in the perimeter of the grocery store.
Okay.
So just concentrate on buying foods from the perimeter, and those are going to be the ones that are less processed.
So less refined, less processed foods.
Exactly.
Gotcha. Let's bring it back to the natural again. When I look at juices sometimes, I don't know the difference between what makes one juice better than another. I just want it loaded with vitamin C.
Yeah, and you know, if you're comparing, 100% juices, it's important to know which ones might be more nutrient dense.
Sure.
And there was a study published that evaluated different juices and found that citrus juices have the highest nutrient density of more the commonly consumed fruit juices like apple, grape, prune, pineapple. Yeah, so I mean, if you compare vitamin C, I mean, it takes more than 45 glasses of unfortified apple juice to equal the vitamin C in 1 glass of orange juice.
Wait a minute, say that one more time. It takes more than 45 glasses of unfortified apple juice to equal the
vitamin C in 1 glass of orange juice.
Looks like I'll be drinking a lot more orange juice. I'm sure you will be too.
And it's similar with like potassium. You would need to consume twice as much grape juice to get the same potassium. And for cranberry juice, 15 glasses of cranberry juice to get the folate that's in orange juice. And grape juice and apple juice have no folate, so there's no comparison. So citrus juices definitely are the most nutrient-dense juices.
What about those juices that I see in the store that say, fruit, Power Fruit Aid, or, fruit drink?
And we call that juice confusion, and that's being able to tell what's 100% juice and what's not. So the best thing to do is to look at the label. So we have 2 example labels over here for orange juice and a common fruit drink. Okay. So what are some of the things we can look for? First of all, those words like drink and beverage and aid are keys that you're not getting 100% fruit juice. And just look for the words 100% fruit juice. This other one that we're showing only contains 10% juice. Look at the ingredients list. The shorter, the better. And so what you find on these fruit drinks are water, high fructose corn syrup, or other sweeteners, maybe artificial colors. And look at your nutrients. You're going to find more of and a wide variety and higher amounts of key nutrients for 100% juice than you're going to find for some of these other beverages. So the bottom line is being able to choose the most nutritious beverage for your family.
And again, one more thing that you said that I really liked about it is look at the ingredients, look for the fewest ingredients possible. That'll be the best thing for you.
Exactly, and look for that 100% juice sign.
Hey,
label.
Registered dietitian Gail Rampersad, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This has been very interesting information. Now we all know what fruit density is. Nutrient density is. All I'm thinking is the fruit juice right here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And for more information, just visit floridajuice.com. Dave, over to you.